Just be at work pissing.
No.
So this is how you play this game. You start out with 5 fingers, right?
She got 6.
I had 6 little people.
You had 6 fingers.
She got it cut off when she was a baby.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see that little thing?
Oh, you had 12.
And told.
See, I never knew that. Where the other toe at?
It's all.
They cut them off. So go ahead with the 5.
Okay.
She all right with 5. She got 5.
You didn't have to tell the people she had 6 fingers.
I'm telling
You
the
got
truth. She want to be
that
free.
out.
I'm going to cut
Don't
it
cut it
out.
out. Don't cut that out. Because the truth gonna set her free today.
You got to tell everybody business.
Ooh,
Okay.
Jesus.
So how you play the game is you start out with 5 fingers. Every time you have done something that I say from the list, you put down a finger.
Alright.
Whoever ends with the most fingers wins.
Okay.
Alright. So 5.
I got my 5.
Okay. Never have I ever lost someone and followed the wrong person in a crowd. Everybody know it.
I have.
When?
Wait a minute. What?
Let me tell it.
You did.
I know her, but I'm not going to say nothing.
No, tell the truth, Shane the devil. Who you done lost?
Wait a minute. What you say? She said I lost
Never
somebody.
have I ever. You know, you've been in a crowd of people with somebody, and then you lose somebody.
She wasn't in the crowd.
Well,
Oh.
not even in the crowd. You be out and you with somebody, and you lose them, and then when you think you see them, you start following the wrong person.
Oh, take that down.
You done did that?
Yeah, when I went to Orlando and seen all these Florida tags, and I end up in St. Petersburg over that tall bridge. So wonder
Oh Jesus! So you ain't never did it. Okay, the next one. Never have I ever given someone a black eye. Never. 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 Gloria.
Charlie
Okay.
P would have beat our tail. So,
Never have I ever swam naked in a pool or an ocean. Can y'all swim?
I could flap. I can swim. I could swim enough to save my life.
did you put your finger back? Oh. Okay.
Never have I ever woken somebody up for snoring. I know you need to put. Why are you looking at her? You need to put your finger down because I know you do that. Who you wake up?
Steve.
He be snoring bad. Oh, this a good one. Never have I ever peed myself.
Baby, you need to put all yours down.
I put mine down.
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yesterday.
Auntie, how?
I'm going to tell you.
Auntie, you said you was doing better now.
Just be at work pissing.
No, I was at the gate and I had to pee.
But
And I
why,
scooped down.
if you know that you had this problem all the time, why don't you pee before you leave work?
I do.
And then you get a tight. What you be drinking on the way home?
Her bladder got holes in her.
You be drinking juice, it be hot. Well, you got 3 fingers.
I got 4. I think you about to lose. Never have I ever used the 5-second rule for food that failed. I did that one. You never did that? Mom,
I'm not
thought you
nasty.
did that.
No, well, I'm sorry you feel that way. I'm not nasty and filthy.
What you trying to say?
Did you put a finger down?
I put a finger down. What
Okay,
you
then.
trying to say?
Take it however you want.
What was the question?
Never have I ever used the
Do
5-second
you eat
rule.
off the floor?
It's not eating off the floor. It's using the
being
5-second
nasty.
rule. If it falls for a second, you pick it up. It didn't get no germs on it.
Nasty filthy, but go ahead.
Never have I ever woken up with bruises and not know how they got there.
Oh, I got to put my finger down.
I do that all the time. But you be wrestling in your sleep.
Oh, okay. Maybe I be fighting off all them demons she finna gave me in my ear. Okay, I still got 2.
Never have I ever killed an animal by accident.
You know when you were singing that song, my shoe got burnt
I
up.
ain't killed no animal.
That bird.
I didn't kill that bird. No, I did not kill that
What
bird.
happened?
And it wasn't no bird. It was some chicken gizzard.
Chicken gizzards.
Yeah.
What happened?
Let her tell the story.
T, what happened?
It's been with the bad boy.
I'll tell the story. I'll tell the story. We were standing by some fire, and she had a stick, and she was stirring because in the side of the fire was her shoe.
Why was her shoe in the fire?
The shoes was old, and Grandmama threw the shoes away. So she was singing the song. My shoe got burned up, shoe got burned up, and the fire went up that stick and caught a hold of her dress, and she burnt all the way up here. My shoe got burned up. That's the story.
But you said she killed a chicken. What they gonna do?
Well, it was some chicken in the fire too. With my shoe. It was some chicken there.
She called herself cooking and with the shoe.
Oh Lord, T, why was you out there playing with fire?
I bet you she won't play with it no more.
You didn't scream or nothing?
Yeah, I wallowed in the dirt.
Tootie?
Ever gotten drunk? I know all of y'all have. So.
Put
What
your
you mean,
finger down.
put
Put
your
your
finger
finger down.
T,
You said
never have I ever gotten drunk, and you have gotten drunk before.
Yeah.
So put it down.
She ain't put her down.
Don't worry about my finger.
You put yours down too, cause you got drunk too.
I was tipsy.
Mama, you were
There's a
drunk.
difference between tipsy
You were
and being
drunk.
drunk. Okay.
You were
What's the
drunk.
difference?
Auntie
Okay.
Sylvia and them party. Tipsy is like, you still having a good time. Drunk is like you need to go lay down. But y'all been both of y'all been both. You was drunk
I've
at the
been delivered and
graduation.
set free though.
Was I?
Yeah. You remember? That's how we know you was drunk. You was drunk at the graduation. Cause you drunk, everybody drank. That was
I was
good
thirsty.
too. No, you wasn't thirsty.
Asian, how many fingers you got left?
I got one left. Never have I ever went through a man's phone. I know you out.
I ain't out.
You ain't never went through no man's phone?
Yes, she had.
Who phone?
Who phone she went
Who
through?
phone?
Went to grade phone.
You went through his phone? Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Oh.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I didn't go through his phone.
Mama,
That-
that's the same thing. You did worse.
You a cheater.
She
No, I'm not
cheated.
cheating.
Girls, I'm
She
telling
cheated.
you.
No, I'm not
Choose
cheating.
Just set you free. You cheated.
Mama, tell the truth.
Oh, I'll fly away.
You sure look gonna fly away.
Put that pinky
Down
down.
I did not go through his phone.
Mama, it's the same thing.
No, it's not. I ain't got time.
Okay,
to go
y'all
through his
tell me below. If you pull someone's phone records to find out who they're talking to, or go through their phone, is it not the same thing? That'll be the question that y'all have to answer below, because we need to get to the bottom of it. We need to get to the truth. But it's the same thing.
phone. I don't care, but that's been so long ago. I don't care who you talk to.
Well, you know she getting up in age. She don't remember. Thank for it, Tootie.
Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed having this little girl talk with my favorite tea and my mama. So, I don't know. How I'm showing favoritism?
Go ahead on, tell the people thank you and all that kind of stuff.
How I'm showing favoritism?
Just go ahead on.
Child, you know she jealous of us.
You know she got that jealous spirit on her tea. You supposed to have been praying that off her.
I don't want her to be praying out loud for me.
Yeah, you gotta boil it because she need a special type of oil. As I was saying, I really enjoyed having this girl talk with my favorite people. Gotta make her feel included, y'all. So if you guys want to see this again, please like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one. We don't know when T will be back, but we know she
You
coming
gonna
back.
bring her back?
Oh, I am coming on my vacation. I'm started my vacation today.
Ooh, so you coming on a vacation. And by the time this video goes up, it should be her birthday or maybe the day after. So make sure y'all wish her a happy birthday because she is turning 33. And
Don't you wanna be
that's all
free?
we have for y'all, and we will see y'all later.
She need to be free.
Bye. Can you say goodbye? Can you
She
say
need to be
goodbye?
free.
Can you please say goodbye to the people? Now, Shirley, come on, say goodbye. Wave your hand.
I can't go.
Go.
She needs to be free, y'all.
How old you turning? You don't even know how old you are.
She
Don't
don't
worry
even
about-
know.
don't
She
worry
don't even know
Yes,
how
she
old. You
born.
don't even know. You
Don't worry
know
about it.
What year was she born?
I don't know. I ain't seen her life.
See that? She don't know.
You ain't got no mind. You better keep up with her.
I don't remember that Daisha business. I keep up with my age and Daisha age, and Daisha got to keep up with her age.
Oh, okay.
That's all I know.
You know, I told somebody the other day, they asked me how old I was, and I told them, they say, ain't no way. You can't be younger than me. And I said, oh, okay, then I'll talk to you later. I hung up the phone. I had to go back in there. I said, oh, Lord. But I forgot how I got to call Dawn.
Yeah, you gotta call her.
See where I'm at?
I think you 54. I think you 54.
It don't matter.
54, 55.
All I know is
but
I'm
I
here.
know one thing. When I go to them drive-thru, I get my drink.
You get your senior citizen drink?
Yeah, every day. You're supposed to get it every Tuesday, but I get mine every day.
What drive-thru you go to when you get
Every
the
one I
senior?
go, every time I go somewhere.
That's why you peeing on yourself. That's why you peeing on yourself right there.
You
going
get
to
a
the
senior
drive-thru.
citizen drink.
That's
I
why
didn't even
you
know
peeing.
about that.
What?
Well, can I get a young folks drink?
No, girl, and on Tuesday,
That's
while
why
I go
you-
to the store every Tuesday, I get
That's why she peeing on herself. Going to the drive-thru before she get home.
Sure do.
Free drinks, trying to get a free drink. Peeing on herself.
Well, goodbye, y'all. That's all we have for y'all today. We will see you in the next one.
Piss
Thank you
herself.
for watching.
All right.
Oh, Lord, I can't wait till that air.
I'm Shirley. I'm Aisha's mom.
Mama, you don't have to introduce yourself. They know who you are.
You just said.
Like I'm saying, introduce our relationship to each other.
Oh. Oh.
There was 10 of us. We didn't have enough beds.
It feel good. Yeah, you cold? You know that when the flashes come.
I don't have flashes.
How you got rid of them?
I don't know, they just left. And wherever they went, don't come back.
Maybe they jumped on her. Because you know she didn't start having them again.
She had, listen, when I first started having them flashes, she didn't know what I was talking about. Baby, one day.
One day,
It's
they
not-
came on up over
God,
her.
I know what you mean now.
You, Diane, Emma, and Shirley was having them all at the
Emma
same
didn't
time.
have
Emma didn't have no
She never
flashes.
had none?
No, she ain't have no
Oh,
flashes.
that was
Girl,
up to
I
Diane.
used to
That
go
used
to
to
the
be
fish
stressed
market.
out.
You go to the fish market and catch one of them things and wanted to dive in the fish. In the ice.
Lord, how much is you?
All right. So you thought you would never, what is it?
Yeah, boy, with that titties that
That,
big.
listen, you said I could give a business.
What titties?
Oh,
Tuna, what's his titties?
I ate frog legs. And I thought I'd never eat them. Listen, they had that for dinner.
What's his
They
titties?
was big.
Hey, you seen
That's all.